Are you ready?
Do it. We needed a place to film. That's the only thing we could come up with, so.
Dude, it's all frozen.
Shoot.
Oh.
Yep. In 2021, there are so many ways to build an audience and grow on social media, and people that are new to creating content, it can be confused on where and what to post. Countless creators get stuck in a loop of creating some content and then it not blowing up, and then they just get tired of it and move on to another platform because they think, well, that platform just might not be for them. So they get impatient, move on to the next platform, and then it's just the same crap all over again. So this loop will basically repeat itself infinitely until you basically just stop posting. So as opportunities increase by the day, many creators get caught up in trying to blow up overnight and have that overnight success. I don't blame them. There are people out there that go from a 9 to 5 to living their dream life, posting videos online, but for probably like 98% of the other people, it won't just work like that. For the other 98%, there's 5 things you really need to have. You need to work hard, put in a ton of effort, have the motivation to do so, to stay consistent. That's the 4th point. And the 5th is patience. And combining these 5 aspects will sooner or later make you blow up on whatever social media platform you're on. Problem is that if you don't use these 5 aspects the right way, these can actually hold you back. Let me explain. As we all know, content is king. If people don't find value in what you post, they're not going to follow you no matter how many shoutouts you get, how many views your content gets. You're not going to have any followers, and they're actually not going to stick around. Thus, you need to pour a ton of effort into your videos and really work hard that they actually look as best as you can get them, so people will actually stick around. Next up, staying consistent. This will make or break your success. If you don't post on a regular basis, for 2 reasons, you're not going to get more views than you actually should. So for the first reason, people actually look forward to watching your content, and because this is why they follow you. They want to stay up to date with what you put out there. So now if they don't know when you're gonna post or what you're gonna post, whatever, they're not gonna really follow you. Basically, it gives people something to look forward to if they know that you're gonna post on a regular basis. And the word consistency is often misperceived. It doesn't mean that you need to post every single day and that for 3 times. It just means that you basically have to stay consistent with your post and post every week, every 3 days. You just need to have a pattern in there that actually tells also your viewers and also the algorithm when you're gonna post. The algorithm, basically what this is, it only exists that it gets more people that consume content more than they actually should. Just look at it that way. YouTube makes its money by showing ads in front of people's videos. Now if people consume a whole lot of videos, they're gonna be shown more ads, so YouTube's gonna make more money. So if you post more content, this means that you're probably gonna get more views because the algorithm is gonna favor you. So this brings us to our last point, which is probably the most important one, and it is patience. If you don't keep going, if you don't keep pushing, if you stop creating content after one video that doesn't blow up, you're never going to be successful, you know what I mean? Like, just keep at it, just keep going, okay? I believe in you. And this is basically all that you really need, is just have patience. The more you post, like, you can kind of look at social media like a lottery. The more you post, the more content you put out there, the higher chance you have in making a viral video. And yeah, that's just basically all that is to it. Is really proving what I just said in the video, is that the more you post and the more consistent you post, the more the algorithm is going to favor you. And this is and what I mean with this is, I just recently started posting on Reels on a daily basis, and I barely got any views ever. Like, it never went over 1,000 really. And then after 2 weeks of posting, it actually went to 10,000 views, and yesterday I got my first video that actually got 50,000 views on one single reel. That's like half my city. Like, that's nuts. Basically, this is your motivation to keep going, keep pushing and keep posting, okay? Never stop posting. So before you click off of this video, because we're almost done, I just want to repeat to show you the message of this video. Hard work, effort, motivation, consistency, and patience is the whole package. It's all you need to blow up on social media. So what are you waiting for? Get out there, create some content. And I really need to go inside into the car because it's literally freezing. Like, I can't feel my fingers. I'm holding my phone with the script and it's too cold. So this is the behind the scenes of us getting B-roll shots, and it's so freaking windy. Oh my god, that does not look good.
Ah, that does.
I
Ah. Fuck, man.
This is for the male audience of us. Oh, okay, that's disappointing.
Yeah.
Whoa. Hey man, he's trying to get out the snow in his boots.
There is
Yeah.
snow everywhere. Look at this.
Oh my god.
There's just snow everywhere. I can't even get out.
Oh.
No. No.
Okay.
Okay.
No, this ain't happening. Oh, it is happening.
Yeah, okay.
You're gonna drive with your son.
Yeah, that's cold.
I can feel that pain. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe and comment something. Whatever it is, just comment something to push my video out to more people. Thank you guys so much for watching. This wind is getting crazy, so if you can still hear me, like and subscribe. You guys.